What was that? Cookie! Cookie! No.
Can I fix you something? No thanks.
Yeah.
I missed him a lot today. I know. I miss him too. But he was there. I can't help thinking about the last thing I said to him. He tried to tell me something important, and I threw it in his face. You loved him, and he loved you. He never doubted the man you grow into, for you were meant for great things. You weren't disappointed.